Welcome back. A question that I often come across from beginners is who sets the price in the stock market? We are going to answer this question for primary market and secondary market separately. Let's start with the secondary market first. In case of secondary markets, stock prices are a result of continuous buying and selling by all the various types of participants in the market. This includes the retail investors, the institutional investors, short-term and long-term traders, and market makers. Since this group of participants covers people from all walks of lives, including those individuals who are trading in the stock of a company they are employed in, it would be fair to assume that some individuals who trade in the market might have access to insider information as well. This implies that every information available to anyone, that is both retail and institutional investors, is reflected in the market prices of the stock. Hence, it is said that the prices reflect the collective wisdom of all market participants, and the price of any security in the stock market is set by this collective wisdom of participants. Now, pricing in the primary market, that is the IPO market, works differently, and we are going to look at how the pricing works in the IPO market in the next video.